For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the.
What is going on, guys? So we're just here at the car. There's not a lot been done. Still waiting on turbos. Turbos have not gotten here yet, and I'm still waiting for some Hylamar stuff to reseal the head. So really haven't been able to work on anything. Everything that we've ordered hasn't really came in, and so just been working. That's pretty much it. Some stuff though that we have happened in the last little bit is we did get some turbo flanges. So let me show you those real quick. Alright, so these are from Parker Speed. They're very awesome T4 flanges by 2.5 inch. We have a 2.5 inch piece of stainless here, and just to show you how easy this is going to be to weld. So that one's actually bent on that side, I do believe, because this one fits in perfectly. And as you see, we'll be able to adjust. I mean, even I will be able to make a beautiful weld on this unit. So pretty pumped. These are 2.5 by T4 flanges. As you can see, super good quality. They come with the hardware, studs and bolts and everything. And so what we'll end up pretty much doing is, depending on the turbo, I'm still waiting on the turbo, but you know how that goes. Let me get away. There's a bee here, and I am not getting stung again. There's another wasp right there. I don't trust it, so we're going to spray it. Get away. Anyways, so turbo, haven't got the turbos yet. I'm hoping to receive those sometime this week, but this is most likely going to be like right here in this area. It might end up being turned like this right here, pointing this way, because if I set it this way, getting that pipe underneath is going to be difficult. So it just depends. I really don't know exactly what we're going to do with this thing, of where we're going to put the turbos. We'll see. I just want it to be even and symmetrical and all that good stuff. I have not received any of the stuff to the Hylamar things to put the head back on, so we can get that done. But it is what it is. This time of the year, it's a little difficult. A lot of my guys are, I would say, unmotivated, or their cars are broke. I wanted to take off this morning and go to Civil War III, but I was not able to. I didn't get up. I didn't realize that I could. It was only 6 hours, and that I may be able to make that drive this morning. So it is what it is. We're going to end up doing some work today. So I really am sort of stuck on the car until I get the turbos, and once I get those, I'll be able to get a lot done. I've already got some the cut to length spark plug wires, so I'm going to see about putting them inside the cow panel, and doing that, or I'm going to see if that is feasible or not, and then I'll start cutting and welding things. It is also still the hottest part of the year for us here. I think it's like 85 today, which is actually cooler than it has been. And so I really haven't been coming outside just because it does get super hot in here. We still have the hood to mount up, so we've got a couple things that we can do, but I really want to get the turbo set up and get it knocked out before I start killing myself with other projects on the car. So, because I'm gonna have to spend some money. The intake merge is over $300 that I've got to buy from Race Parts, and so yeah, I'm trying to get some content out for you guys, but it's I've been super unmotivated to go race with like Whitey. I need to buy a set of DOT tires for it, because all the cars or all the classes that it is legal for require DOT tires, even though I hate DOT tires because I see literally 0 point. I mean, everybody can buy tires. If we're gonna go run at a racetrack, I mean, it is what it is. Anyways, so that's pretty much the gist of what we've gotten today. Big shout out to Parker Speed for getting me those. They got them here super fast, and you know, I appreciate them jumping on board with the Zephyr. It is really cool to have such a nice, I mean, let me show you one of the reasons that I swapped away from what I had. Let me get it down here, pull it out. So I'm gonna just set this on this workbench. This is the merge that I had. Now, somebody did a pretty decent job on it, in all honesty. But man, it just, the way that it sat in the car being so low, I mean, you got to think it sat super low down here. So the oil drain sucked. It was terrible. And so with these things being, you know, all the way up in this area, they should have, or up in this area, sorry, I'm not pointing the camera where I need to. It should work out supremely well, I think anyway. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna spray some more WD-40 over in those injectors so they don't clog up. I've had a problem with injectors clogging in a super short amount of time. So I don't know, we'll see. Just you know, hit that subscribe button and you'll get to see what all we've got going on. We've got a lot to do on the car, and I mean, I'm in no giant rush. I'm trying to take this in a good amount of time. I have a big surprise coming for my little boy next week. We are actually going to go pick him up a junior dragster that we found. I'm super excited. I'll probably take you guys along. I'll probably put it up on the YouTube channel. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, if we're going to take him with us, or because he sort of knows about it, because with such a purchase like that, which I've got a great deal on one, with a purchase like that, you want them to sort of be on board. And so, you know, he has seen pictures and different things like that, and he is super pumped. So another thing is I am clearing out all of our merch that we have. Hit us up, go check out our Facebook, is the majority of the place where I'm going to be posting that all for sale. It is going to be super clearanced because I want to come up with some new shirts and things for you guys, and so go hit that up. That'll be close out selling them. I'm trying to get it to where it's going to be some super nice stuff and a good amount for the track whenever we go. Really, the way that it's looking for me, if I'm able to be running in October, that's great. I'm really thinking September is just going to be off limits for running. Then we have Palmetto in November and Dig or Die in December. So those are the two. Pretty much Palmetto is the big one that I'm looking to be ready for, and Dig or Die obviously in December. So those are going to be the ones that I'm not going to be rushing. If this thing does somehow come together in the next 4 weeks, then that's awesome. But I'm skeptical about that happening. You know how that goes. I'm not going to get my hopes up when it comes to it. So trying to just play the long game and make this thing as fast as we possibly can and get it done. So race cars are race cars. Apologize that there's not a lot of you know, super exciting content on this deal. But I will be having some controversial content coming in the next few days. We're going to talk about some things in the no prep and the street race world and see what you guys think. So that's going to be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things, and let's see if I can hit. My goal was 10,000 for the year. I'm going to shoot it low, and if I can get some good videos out, maybe we can get it to that 5,000 by the end of the year. We're at 3,000 and counting and climbing, and so share this up, share it with your friends, do all that good stuff. And if you see us out in the Zephyr, come say hi, hit us up, go hit the Facebook page up, grab you some merch and all that good stuff. So we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the